very good morning to all my dear students. Today in the environment around us in science, we are going to start a new lesson, that is your lesson number 11. This is lesson number 11, Nation's Pride. So all of you are going to write first today's date, 8/1/2021, and then we'll start our work. Now, in this lesson, what we are going to study about is about the nation's pride. That means there are certain people who work for the nation, and they do such a work that it becomes a pride for the nation, that the children or the people. There are many children also who have done this type of work, and for this they have been awarded also. And this still there is a process in which the government of India gives bravery awards to the children for their work, for the act of their bravery, or some act which they have done which is in the favor of a nation, or which has saved the nation from a big disaster or some harm. So in this lesson we are going to study about one such story of a child who has saved a train from meeting in accident. And second is about the martyrs of the country. Martyrs means the people who sacrifice their life, जिनको हम शहीद बोलते हैं. तो उनके विषय में हम इस लेसन में थोड़े से जानकारी लेंगे कि कौन कौन से ऐसे लोग थे. वैसे तो हमारे इंडिया में ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने हमको जो फ्रीडम दिलाई है, आज़ादी दिलाई है अंग्रेज़ों से, उसके लिए उन्होंने जो 200 साल लड़ाई की, उस लड़ाई में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो शहीद हुए, जिन्होंने अपनी जान गंवा दी. एंड मेनी ऑफ देम हैव सैक्रिफाइस्ड एवरीथिंग, इंक्लूडिंग देयर लाइव्स ऑल्सो एंड देयर होम, देयर वेल्थ, एवरीथिंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ द country. So in this lesson we are going to study about one of those people. So in this lesson, the first is about a child's act of bravery, or an act of intelligence rather. In this from this picture we can make out. First we will read this. Vats and Ayushi were watching TV. Just then Ketal and Honey came back from the temple with grandma. Grandma asked Vatsa and Ayushi, "What are you watching in TV? Do you know about him?" Vast, "Yes, this is about Fearless Azad." Grandma, "Fearless Azad?" Fearless Azad's name was Chandrasekhar. Since childhood, he was very brave. He sacrificed for the freedom of the country. Ketul, Ketul and Honey, you also watch this film. Afterwards, I will tell you the story of the same one such fearless child. Now here you can see the lesson starts with the two children, Vats and Ayushi, who are watching the television. And when they are watching the TV, at the same time Ketal and Honey also come home back from the temple with their grandma. And now grandma asked them, "What are you watching in the TV?" So the Vats is answering that I'm watching about the fearless Azad. So grandma just informed that the fearless Azad, that means Azad's actual name was Chandrasekhar Azad, and he sacrificed his life for the freedom of this country. So grandma tells the Ketal and Honey also that you also sit and watch this movie. Afterward, she will tell them a story about a fearless boy like Azad, एक child की वो स्टोरी सुनाएंगी जो कि चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद के जैसे ही फेयरलेस और बहुत ही हिम्मत वाला था. नाउ दिस इज द स्टोरी इन दिस पिक्चर. सी grandma, see these pictures and listen. Now you can see here two pictures are given on this page, which is page number 88. Now here a child is looking at this railway. This is a railway track, which is, you can see this railway track is broken from here, मतलब कि यहाँ से ये railway track जुड़ा हुआ है. And this is the boy who is standing and looking at this railway track which is broken. Now he gets an idea. You can see a train is coming from, in the second picture, a train is coming on this track from this side. So this boy is thinking, if the train comes and then if the train doesn't stop before this broken track, then there will be an accident or a disaster is going to happen. So he wants to save that disaster. So what he's doing, he has taken out his shirt and he's waving his shirt in the air so that the driver of the train can see this and feel the danger and stops the train over there only. Now in this picture you can see the child is wearing a red shirt. Red is a signal of danger. So when if he is waving this red shirt, that means the driver is able to understand by the symbol that the red is a sign of danger. That means there is some danger around here. That is why this child is waving his red shirt. Now on page number 89 you can see this is the guard of the train. आपको पता है ट्रेन में दो जने होते हैं, एक ड्राइवर होता है जो ट्रेन चलाता है और एक दूसरा होता है गार्ड होता है. उसका अलग से जो लास्ट बोगी होती है वो गार्ड की बोगी होती है. तो दिस इज द गार्ड यू कैन सी एंड दिस गार्ड इज congratulating this child. Now why he's congratulating, first let us see this, and then he is getting a reward also. You can see that he is being awarded for his bravery also over here. Now in this the guard is congratulating the child because he has saved or he has prevented a big train accident. If he would not have seen this broken track and he would not have tried to stop the train by waving his red shirt in the air, then the train would definitely have met with an accident and many people would have lost their lives. So guard is very happy. That is why he's congratulating the child for doing such an act of bravery and act of intelligence also. This is the where he used his mind to and how to save the people who are traveling in the train. And here after this he is getting an reward for his bravery. Now in the on page number 89 is the observation where you can see some questions are written here. On the basis of these four pictures we have to answer them. What do you see in the first picture? In the first picture we can see the child is looking at the broken track. He has a bag on his shoulder also. So in the first picture he is looking at the broken track. What is the child doing in the second picture? The child is waving his shirt in the second picture in the air so that the driver can see the danger over there. Why has the train stood still in the third picture? Now you can see here the train is standing a little ahead of the broken track. The train is still at because driver has stopped the train because he feels that some danger is there when the child is waving his shirt in the air. Now why is the guard congratulating the child? You can see in this picture the guard is congratulating the child because he has prevented a big train accident. What would you do if you were in that child's place? अगर हम बच्चे की जगह पर होते, आप उस बच्चे की जगह पर होते तो आप क्या करते? तो शायद हम भी वही करते जो इस बच्चे ने किया और हर कोशिश करते कि ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट को किसी तरीके से रोका जा सके. सो आई वुड ऑल्सो डू द सेम थिंग. Now here you have to write the place or event that we are not going to do now. Now on page number 90, we'll start with read. This part we are going to do. This all we are not going to do. Now read. Here you can see the picture of a martyr whose name is late Poonam Chand Jaishankar Pandya. He was born on 1905 and died on 1948. Now this is a person who belongs to गुजरात ओनली एंड ही वॉज वन ऑफ द मार्टर्स हु सैक्रिफाइस्ड हिज लाइफ. इसमें उसका क्या है, नाम क्या है उनका? लेट पूनम चंद जयशंकर पंड्या. और वो उनकी डेथ जो है अब 1947 में हमको आज़ादी मिली और 1948 में उनकी डेथ हुई. ही वॉज बोर्न इन 1905, मतलब 1905 में उनका जन्म हुआ था. और उन्होंने बहुत लड़ाई करी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो जो अंग्रेज़ उस वक़्त करते थे उसका उन्होंने अपोज किया, विरोध किया था और आज़ादी की लड़ाई में हिस्सा लिया था. Now, what as I told you that martyrs are the people who sacrifice all their life and all their wealth and belongings for the sake of the country. Those people are called as the martyrs. There are many martyrs in our country. I think अनगिनत लोग हैं जिन्होंने शहादत दी है हमारे देश को आज़ादी दिलाने के लिए. और ये आज़ादी जो हमको मिली है शायद आज हमको उसकी वैल्यू नहीं है उतनी बिकॉज वी आर बॉर्न इन द फ्री कंट्री. बट जस्ट थिंक ऑफ दोज पीपल हु आर बॉर्न इन द country which was not free, that what difficulties, what times they have spent, and कितना उनको तकलीफ़ होगी कि उन्होंने आज़ादी के लिए लड़ाई शुरू की और इस लड़ाई में हज़ारों की संख्या में लोगों ने अपनी शहादत दी। तो आज हम उन सबका रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए हमें जो आज़ादी मिली है उसका मान रखना चाहिए और ये देखना चाहिए कि वी आर नॉट लूजिंग ऑन दिस। नाउ विल स्टार्ट। Learn about the historical events that occurred around you. In those events, there must be a talk about the martyrs too. A martyr is one who dies for the pride of his village, country or city. मतलब जो अपने देश के लिए और अपने शहर के लिए, अपने देश के लिए जो अपनी जान की बाजी लगा देता है उसको हम मार्टर्स कहते हैं। नाउ दिस अ स्टोरी विच द ग्रैंड मा इज टेलिंग अगेन। ग्रैंड मा, आई शेल टेल यू अबाउट अ मार्टर नेम पूनम चंद पंड्या। ग्रैंड मा जो है एक शहीद की कहानी सुनाने जा रही है जिसका नाम है पूनम चंद पंड्या। It was the time when the Britishers were ruling in the Meghraj village of Sabarkantha district. Every year, the festival of Holi was celebrated with द फरवर। मतलब कि जो था पूनम चंद पंड्या बिलोंग टू द मेघराज विलेज इन द साबरकांठा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है गुजरात का, उसके एक मेघराज विलेज में पूनम चंद पंड्या रहते थे। हर साल वहाँ पर होली का फेस्टिवल बहुत धूमधाम से मनाया जाता था। Here the Britishers had a bad law. The British officials would make a statue named Laji, which would be a man not wearing any clothes. The statue would be put in the village center. It was made compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi. Now, Britishers used to rule our country that time, and the Britishers had made a law in this village that on the day of Holi they used to make a statue on the day of Holi, and then in the center of the city the statue was put, and everyone had to go around this statue और हर किसी को स्टैचू का एक चक्कर लगाना होता था होली के दिन स्पेशली। और what was the statue was? The statue was called Laji because it was a man who was not wearing anything. तो उस टाइप का एक स्टैचू ये लोग बनाते थे और हर होली पे लोगों को उसके चारों तरफ उसका एक चक्कर लगाना कंपलसरी था। दैट वाज द लॉ मेड बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स। नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू पेज नंबर 91. Once the youth of this village got together, they were brought together by a young man named पूनम चंद पंड्या. अब एक बार जितने भी विलेज में जितने भी लोग थे, मतलब कि जो नौजवान लोग थे, यंग मैन थे, उन्होंने यूथ था वहाँ के, वो लोग सब ने सोचा कि हमको इकट्ठे होकर इसके बारे में कुछ सोचना चाहिए कि इसको हटाने के बारे में। तो